Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shelvington. My name is Andy and this is my model railway in a garage. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Subscription costs you nothing, but it helps grow my channel and helps other like-minded modelers find my videos. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much. In today's quick episode, we're going to be unboxing this, which I believe is 3 Bachmann 90-ton JGA Bogie hopper wagons, and the one underneath that should be a Midland Mainline HST. Right, let's crack on. Yep, sure enough, 3 wagons. Let's have a look. Let's get them out. 1, 2, oops, and 3. What's that one say? Tilcon. That one Tarmac. And Tilcon. Right, we'll get these unboxed and see what they look like. Very nice. Nice looking wagons. Nice clean wheel, that's what I like to see. Lovely. Right, I'll get the other 2 out and we'll see what they all look like together. There we go. Yeah, so we've got 2 Tilcon, 1 and 2, and then 1 Tarmac. They've got these covers on the top. I wonder if we can take them off though, because the other Freightliner hoppers ain't got these on. Let's see. Oh, hey, they just pop off. Oh, that's handy. Oh, too easy. Right, we'll take those off. One, 2. Hey, look at that. Nice. These will make a lovely addition to the layout. And I've also got a little while ago, when I got the green ones, I got this little guy as well. It's a white one. I've never found a use for it because I thought it looks a bit odd running 1 white one and about 30 odd green ones. But I reckon that a mixed rake of a few green ones, you know, the Freightliner ones, the white one, and then these 3, I think that'll look quite nice. There we go. So here's the white one. That's the Freightliner one. Straight away, it's a lot heavier than say that one. I haven't got any scales, but yeah, it's a good few grams heavy. It's slightly bigger as well, look. Not much, but just a little bit. Right, let's pop all these on the layout. Let's get some green ones as well, and we'll see what they go like. Yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I reckon that'll look quite nice behind a train. Right, we'll get those put on the layout. Right, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Them on the layout. Let's get the loco up to it. There we go. And off we go. Hey, that looks all right. That looks quite good. I like that. Right, I'm impressed with those. Really am. Look really good. I'll get this paper off this one, and then we'll see what this looks like. Be back in a minute. There we go. So this looks like a pretty cool set. Midland Mainline 125 HST. Let's see, where's it from? Oh, what's it say? Supplied by Britannia Models in Christchurch. Let's have a look, see what we've got in the box. Oops. Oh, it's like Christmas. Very nice. Looks in absolutely fantastic condition. Right, let's see what we've got here. So straight away, the wheels are fairly clean. They could do with a bit of a polish, but we can sort that out. There's some good weight to them. They've been used. You can tell they're a little bit dusty on the roof there, so they've been used. That's all good. What does the... Let's see, how do we get these out? These are going to be tricky. There must be an easy way to get that out. Oh, there we go. I got it. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Nice looking loco. Right, I'll get the rest out and we'll come back to you in a minute. There we go. What a very nice looking loco. I'd never actually seen this livery before, so I'm quite impressed. Looks real good. Sadly, it's not DCC, which means I've got to put a chip in there, but that's okay. I can see pickups on these on the DVT. Oh, the wheels are very dirty back here. You can see those, but that's all right. We can polish those all up. We can clean those. Yes, I'm assuming it's got lights in the back. But yeah, no, I'm really impressed by that. Looks nice. Now for the price, I paid $150. That's 150 New Zealand dollars for that set, which I don't think is too bad. So that's about 75-80 quid for the four. I think that's all right. For the other Bogie wagons, that was 95, a bit more than I wanted to pay for the three of those, but it does finish the rake of those off quite nicely. But yeah, so I will give these a clean. I will put a DCC chip in the driving unit, and we will come back to that at some point in the near future, and we'll get that running around the layout. So thanks for watching. Like I said at the beginning, like and subscribe please, it does help. I really do appreciate it. Thanks to all of my subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, thank you very much. Take care. See ya.